I'll tell you what. So you met with the department rep. You're going to plead to impeding. The insurance is already taken care of. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
And then they'll dismiss the defective equipment
Yes.
to the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible.
I'm light work. I'm got traffic.
He's got you for defective equipment here. Equipment violation. I don't know what it is, but is that what you want to do? Is plead to impeding
Yes.
to that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Yes. No.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
No. Impeding traffic
Oh.
with the understanding the defective equipment will be dismissed.
Yes.
Listen, I want to make sure you understand. If you plead responsible to impeding traffic, that's 0 points.
0. Oh.
It won't go on your record, and I'm going to.
Before this courtroom session even begins, you can already tell this isn't just about traffic tickets. One by one, defendants step forward, each facing charges that seem minor on the surface. But inside this courtroom, every decision matters. From reduced penalties to dismissed charges, the judge moves quickly, but not without making sure every person understands exactly what they're agreeing to. And just when things feel routine, one case completely shifts the tone, turning a simple docket into a moment of tension, accountability, and real consequences. Stay with us because what starts as everyday traffic court reveals just how serious even the smallest legal decisions can become.
Dismiss the defective equipment.
Okay.
Is that what you want to do?
No. No.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
All right, to the charge of impeding traffic, do you plead responsible or not responsible?
No.
What does no mean?
No. I do not see. I'm traffic responsible. I have and
Hang on. To impeding traffic, do you plead responsible or not responsible?
yes.
Responsible?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to cut down the fines for you since you paid $25 on the insurance, okay? I'll charge you $130.
130.
You go down there, take care of that, and the insurance I don't have to address, Heather, so I'm not writing on there.
Thank you. I pay go now.
Right down the hall.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Amran A. El-Khatib, 26F245393, A and B. All right. What is your name, sir?
I'm not Elkity.
I don't know what I'm doing. Who's Flat Rock? Can you ask him to come in here? John, let me see. Maybe
Not a phone in there either.
Well, thank you. Gotcha. I can't tell what they're doing here. Have a seat right behind you, okay? I'll be right with you. Jonathan Barker, 25W871-841038. Mr. Barker, your name?
Barker?
You're going to plead to impeding. You're going to dismiss the distracted, right?
Yes.
To that charge of impeding, responsible or not responsible?
Possible.
I'll accept the plea, dismiss the distracted. 150 is your total. Cash your end of the hall to your right, okay? Brian Belanger, 25W84. I'm sorry, 26W841168. You can come right up there. There you go. Name?
Right about there?
All right, so you're going to plead impeding traffic, true?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Possible.
All right, I'm going to accept the plea. 150, 150 is your total, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day. Joseph Aho. 25W, I'm sorry, 25B149895. How you doing? Your name?
Joe Aho. Good, how are you?
Good. You're going to plead to Impeding?
I am.
Responsible or not responsible for that? Thanks. 150. Cashier end of the hall to your right. You're all set.
Thank you.
Chief, I just need to know, like, if he can write them, I don't know who did that. Yeah, but okay, so I just want to be more clear.
Okay.
A and B's got, and then he writes this B. I don't know what he's doing. And is that he's gonna have to plead to impeding file A, dismiss file B.
Okay,
Take care of that. Thanks a lot.
It's like training day. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Israel Gibson, 25B149809. All right, how you doing? Your name?
Israel.
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding, or gonna dismiss the failure to yield causing the accident. It says minor, no injuries, no disabling damage. You're going to plead to impeding, true? To that charge, responsible or not responsible? I'll accept the plea, dismiss the original charge. 195 is your total, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Trevor Moran, 26W, 841248. Dane?
Trevor Moran.
All right, you're gonna plead to impeding, right?
It's your honor.
All right, you gotta be a little careful here, okay? Let's see. All right, to that charge of impeding, responsible or not responsible?
Possible.
Plea is accepted. 170 is your total. The limited access is dismissed. You're all set. Thank you. People against, Kimbrough. Carmen Renee Kimbrough, 25W38876, 24G306090, RB and 24B147331.
Ready, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone. Has been Carmen. Thank you.
Your name, ma'am?
Carmen Renee Campbell.
All right, let me just check these. She owes 45, she owes 435, that's 480. She owes another one, 285, that's 735. But wait a minute, 480 plus 285 is 765, and then she owes another 189. 869, 949, 958.
I got 954.
All right. I'm gonna pay all that today, right? She has. Why has she been ignoring us like this?
Judge, she had a baby in September. She was making payments prior to that. She got a steady job. Doesn't make that much.
Where does she work at?
UHM,
Where?
UHM, a mortgage company.
Miss Kimbrough, did I ask you to come and talk to me if you didn't have the money to pay these?
I believe so.
I know so, because
Assistant.
I tell everybody that.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'll make consistent payments.
Ma'am. Did I ask you to come and talk to me if you didn't have the money?
Yeah, I spoke with.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Did you come and talk to me when you didn't have the money?
not you personally, but
Well, I didn't, there's no other judge here except the one next door, and they wouldn't have sent you to her.
I didn't know any better than another. I apologize.
You're not really close to keeping up on the payment plan. You know that, right? You were supposed to pay $75 beginning August 1 on file 908. You didn't pay anything.
Judge, I think her last payment was July 30th, but.
That's on another case. Then you were supposed to pay $75 after fines and costs were paid on that case. You didn't do that. You got to take your hat off, sir. And then you were supposed to pay, I believe, all of the 24 case that day.
No, I had a payment plan set up for all of them because of closely they were in town.
They were close in time because you didn't show up on this one, the 24 case.
Correct. So
We're still playing around with the 24 case, and this is 26, right?
wait, what was on the 26th?
This is 2026. This is a 2024 case. You're playing around with a case already that's 2 years old or thereabouts. I guess it's only 13 months. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. It was from December of 24. I just get agitated when I offer people the opportunity to come and talk to me, and then they don't talk to me, and then they come in 6 months later after they're supposed to pay and say, give me time to pay.
I understand that.
Do you?
I just had a misunderstanding. I figured.
Misunderstanding. I think I make that pretty clear. I know I make that pretty clear. You had all kinds of misses on this. These cases. You live on Fort in Brownstown?
Correct.
How much does she make in her employment?
He takes home about 2,000.
How much she make per hour?
16,
How many hours do you work?
40 hours. I work in Pontiac.
You're making $640 a week and you're driving all the way to Pontiac?
Yes, currently. After I have a baby, that's how I maintain my insurance. And
All right. Okay, enough. Just show me some respect in the future. I'm gonna let you pay you're gonna tell me how much you can afford to pay and when. And then you're gonna understand, if you don't have the money, you're gonna either park yourself in front of me on or before due date at 8:30, or you're gonna call the court. You and I are gonna go on Zoom and you're gonna ask for the extension. So I'm gonna let you set up your own payment plan. You can be the judge right now.
We talked about 200 a month starting February 15th.
Heather, I don't care how you set these up. There's 4 different files. 3 are mine. 1 is Judge Heston's. You set her up at 200 per month, if you would, please, beginning February 15th. They're going to give you a printout. If you don't have the money on any of the due dates, what are you going to do? You're not going to get on the phone with me, but you'll call the court and we'll go on Zoom. Good luck. Thank you. Jason Robert Barnett. 260-647-488. Can I have a Ms. Nash over here, please, seated at the table? My right, your left. Your name? Good morning. You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'm going to accept your plea. $150, and you pay that. You can go down the hall and take care of that.
Thanks.
Have a good day. The speeding's dismissed. Nash. Amira Harvey Nash, 25T-647-349. Your name? You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right? To that charge, responsible or not responsible? Okay, I'm going to accept the plea. Fines cost $150. Dismiss the original charge, and you are all set. Good luck. All right. Lawyer, Mark Andrew Lawyer. 260-647-474. Could I have Backus and Adams Mendez and then Santilli when they get up? One of you at a time. You guys are going to be next. Backus, have a seat at that table. Your name, sir?
Mark Lawyer, sir.
All right. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
That's correct, sir.
It says no injuries, minor damage to that charge, responsible or not responsible to impeding.
Responsible.
Plea is accepted. Original charge dismissed. 195. Cashier end of the hall to your right. Good luck. Thank you. Erasmus Backus. 2T647-353. Your name? You're going to plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible to that? What's your record like?
Good.
I don't have his record.
It used to be not so good.
I gotta have the record. Take your time. Have a seat right there behind you there. Jacob Adams Mendez. 26B150104. Your name? All right, defective equipment, and you fixed the tail light. The officer observed it. I don't know what this means. Officer Harbedian, your name? Are you moving to dismiss this?
waived it, dismissed it, I didn't know it.
I'm fine if that's what you're gonna do. You
Yeah.
want to dismiss it?
Yep, I went out and observed the,
Case dismissed, motion of the officer. Good luck. Christian Vincent Santilli. 25. F245191. Your name? Your name, you're gonna plead impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to this?
Responsible.
Oh. I'll accept the plea, dismiss the speed, 160 is your total, okay?
Yes.
Cashier into the hall to your right and you're all set. David Gapsky. 25B14969. Good morning. You're gonna put your name?
Morning, David Gapsky.
You're gonna plead impeding traffic, true?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
I'm gonna accept the plea, 150, cashier end of the hall to your right, and the speeding's dismissed. Good luck. People against, Paza Call. 25W841255. Sorry, 26W841255. Your name?
Oscar Paul.
How you doing?
Thank you very much, Mother. You're
You're gonna plead to, impeding traffic, right?
right.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
It's a commercial vehicle. 180 is your total. You're all set, okay? 180. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning. Nice to see a smiling face. Grayson, Drew Deshaun Grayson. 25G719663. Your name?
Sean Grayson.
All right. You're charged with a violation of probation. You were placed on probation on September 23 of 25 by me. And I have a violation that alleges count one. That you failed to attend your scheduled probation visit on January 15 of 26. Do you understand the charge? Count two, that you failed to attend the domestic violence program with 8-week follow-up. Do you understand the charge? Count three, you failed to pay your fines and costs as ordered. Do you understand the charge?
Yes, Sean.
Count four, that you failed to clear all of your warrants by October 30 of 25. Do you understand the charge?
Yes, Sean.
You don't have any prior technical violations. This would be four, however. And if you plead guilty or found guilty of any one of the, or all of these, I should say, you could get 93 days jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, Sean.
All right. Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, Sean.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. You understand that?
Sean.
All right. You have the right to an attorney. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense if you would like one. Would you like a lawyer?
Yes, Sean.
I'm entering a not guilty plea for you. I am going to, let me go speak to a lawyer, and I'll enter a not guilty plea. And you will speak with the lawyer, and then you will come in and see me with the lawyer. Do you understand that?
Yes, Sean.
All right, so Vince or somebody, can you set him up with a lawyer, whoever the probation lawyer is? You go out in the hallway, they'll set you up. Jerez Bacchus. 25T647353. Your name?
Marcos Bacchus.
All right, so you're going to plead to impeding, right? And they're going to dismiss the holding or using a mobile device, right? To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'm going to accept your plea. Fines and costs are $200.
Thank you.
You can go right down the hall and take care of that. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, Bowen. This is Kinesia Casual Bowen. 25, let's see. 25W841114 A and B. Your name? So you're going to plead to obstructed vision.
Yes.
And that's 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You gotta take care of that tint? You gonna take care of that tint?
Yes, I have a doctor's appointment.
I can't hear you.
I have a doctor's appointment. I went to the eye exam place and told me that they couldn't diagnose me before. I had to go see my doctor.
This is what you want to do though? Is that right?
Yeah.
To the charge obstructed vision, responsible or not responsible? I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss the no insurance for you. And I'm gonna charge you $135. You can go down the hall and take care of that and you're all set. All right. Mohammed Buda? Did I screw his, this is 25B149982. Your name, sir? You guys, do you have, you're Mr. Hasdick, right? What's your name? What happened is, make sure you know his name. We understand. Your name again, sir? You're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
All right, I'm gonna accept the plea. 150 is the total. And you're all set.
Thank you.
Original charge dismissed. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Amanda Rose Garcia, 260-647-509. Good morning. Nice to see you bopping up there like that. You're gonna plead, your name?
Amanda, yeah.
You're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes, I am.
Good to see somebody smiling in the 33rd District Court. To the charge impeding, responsible or not responsible? Plea is accepted. 150, you're all set. Have a great day. Thank you. Jeremy Ray LaForest, 25T646641.
Hearing before us, good morning.
Good morning to you. All right. I set a motion to set aside default judgment. I'll go ahead and grant it. You met with the department rep. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, true?
Yes, sir.
All right. To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea of responsibility. I'm going to ask you to go down the hall, make sure everything's in order with the bond. The total's 165. So if that's in your name, you should just be able to apply it. And it appears that it is. I don't have to send him down, do I, Heather?
No, Judge, we can just, unless he wants a receipt, we can just apply
You
it.
want a receipt and go down the hall and get it. Otherwise, you can leave the building. We're going to apply the 165. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Omran A. Elk Hatib, 26F245393, A and V. Good morning, sir. Again, your name. All right, so you're going to plead to charge A, expired plate. Is that true? And then you're going to plead to impeding traffic on file B, and they are going to go ahead and dismiss the speeding. Is that right?
Yes.
And is that what you want to do?
Sir.
The charge of impeding traffic on file B, file B, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
And to the charge of expired plate on file Responsible or not responsible? All right, I'm gonna accept the plea on file A. To expired plate, accept the file to impeding on file B, dismiss the speeding. It's 155 on the impeding, and it is 135 on the expired plate, 290. You can go down the hall and take care of that, and you're all set. Thank you. John Jeffrey Medvich. That has to go rubber banded or something here. John Jeffrey Medvich, 25F 245323 A and B. Your name? All right, so they're going to dismiss file B, which is the stop sign. And then you're going to plead to impeding traffic, right? To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
File A, the plea is accepted. 155, file B is dismissed. Motion of the officer, or the department rep, okay? You're all set. Good luck. Thank you. Justin Riney. P5B 149654. Riney? Do I have any of those cases of the state cases yet? Heather, what's going on with all those? You're going to plead the impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible? They're going to dismiss the disobeyed traffic signal. Please accept it to impeding. 150 is your total. You're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Ingeson, Janine Ingeson, 25W841231. Randy Jenkins, have a seat at the table here. And Clement will be next. Your name? All right, so no injuries, minor damage. You're going to be careful, right?
Yes.
You're going to plead to impeding. They're going to dismiss the failure to stop or assured clear distance. To that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? All right, I'm going to accept the plea. 195, you're all set. Yes, you're ready to haul to your right. Thank you. Randy Jenkins, 26B150-206. Your name? You're going to plead to impeding, right?
So
Responsible or not responsible to that? All right. I'm going to accept your plea to impeding, Mr. Jenkins. I'm going to dismiss the speeding. 150, cash your end of the hall to your right. Good luck. Clement. Zachary D. Clement, 167-701-649. You're charged with failing to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive on a ETG test on January 7 of this year, January 7 of 26. That is the charge. If you plead guilty, if you're found guilty, you could get 5 days in jail. Do you understand that, ma'am? And did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form here today? If you plead guilty, you will be giving up on other rights on the advice of rights, and we will not have a hearing of any kind. Do you understand that? You have the right to a lawyer. I'd be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Would you like an attorney to represent you?
No.
Okay, I'm going to ask you then, to the charge that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive on a chemical test on January 7 of 26. How do you plead? Did you test positive for alcohol on that date?
Yes, sir.
Did you consume alcohol within the 3 days preceding that date?
Yes, sir.
What kind of alcohol and where did you drink it?
Wine.
Anybody force you to plead guilty? Were you by yourself?
Yes.
Why'd you do that?
I was cooking pasta and I was using the wine for the pasta and I just like want to get a little cup and then I had my color chart the next day.
This isn't a good sign. I mean, this is only like a month after I put you on probation, right?
Sir.
All right. What do you want to tell me before I sentence you? Anything?
I'm sorry. I'm so disappointed in myself. I didn't know, it hadn't even been that long and it was so irresponsible.
Who's your probation officer?
Jessica?
Have you done anything else? You do your court work or community service?
All of it.
I want you to take this to Jessica, please, you guys. Ma'am,
Yes,
anything else?
that's all.
Pay additional costs of $75. I'll keep you on probation, serve 1 day on the court work program and pay $35 for that. Defendant to test bi-weekly. Defendant to test bi-weekly until August 3rd. I'll make it July 3rd. Then monthly. So you gotta go test every other week now. I mean, you were before, but
Yeah.
you were only supposed to do it another month. You can go down the hall, pay your 110, go meet with Jessica, set up your court work program and change your color. Okay?
Judge, 110?
110.
Okay, that's today.
That's the cost. The
Okay.
$75 cost and $35 for the court work program. Okay? Good luck. Paul, Kevin, you too. And then you'll meet with your probation officer, Paul, Kevin, Delpiaz. 26 T647304. Good morning, sir. Your name? Your name?
Paul, Kevin Delphi.
Good morning. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, correct?
That's correct.
And then they're going to dismiss the speeding. To that charge of impeding, responsible or not responsible?
Impeding, yes.
All right, I'm going to accept your plea. 150 is your total. I'll dismiss the speeding. You're all set. Good luck.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
As this courtroom session comes to a close, what stands out is the balance between efficiency and accountability. Case after case, the judge moves quickly, offering reduced charges, dismissing violations, and keeping the system flowing. But when it comes to repeated non-compliance or probation violations, the tone shifts instantly. We saw how minor traffic issues can be resolved with cooperation, while more serious matters, like missed payments or probation violations, bring real consequences, including stricter conditions or even potential jail time. This is a powerful reminder. In the legal system, communication, responsibility, and follow-through can make all the difference. The outcomes you get aren't just about the charges, they're about how you handle them. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.